Here we are over in Shrewsbury this morning. Nice early start. Just finished the Starlink installation. Tidy install here. We've used a 9x9 galvanised bracket as there wasn't much of an overhang. A little 3-foot mast with our own pole adapter screwed into the top. Wired down in Cat 6 cable. Around the bottom, nice and tidy. In through a nice sealed hole and into the Starlink router. This customer had her own mesh system, TP-Link decos, which kicks that signal all round the property. She's opted for the residential max, so she's getting speeds of up to 400 megabytes plus all throughout her house. This is Aaron, professional Starlink installation.